How to enable or disable voice chats in Rainbow Six Mobile. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. To turn off and on the voice chat feature in Rainbow Six Mobile, first of all, launch open the game and make sure you are inside this main menu. Once you're inside, go to the upper right corner and tap on the gear icon. This will open the settings tab from where you need to go to the audio tab on the left hand side. Inside audio, you'll see voice chat feature at the very bottom. Toggle on the switch right next to voice chat, and you can also adjust the incoming voice chat volume and the outgoing voice chat volume option from the toggle menu at the bottom. So, you have successfully turned on the voice chat feature to talk and hear teammates during the match. If you don't want any voice communications, you can always switch the voice chat button off, and that's it. So now you know how you can enable and disable the voice chat feature in Rainbow Six Mobile. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.